In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your hosting or subscription. Whether you're switching providers or just no longer need its services, I'll guide you through the process step by step. Let's make it simple and hassle-free, ensuring you know exactly what to do. First, you'll need to log into your Hostinger account. Head over to the Hostinger website and click on the Login button, prominently displayed at the top right corner of the home page. Enter your email address and password correctly to gain access to your account dashboard. If you don't have your password handy, you can use the Forgot Password option to reset it. This step is crucial because you'll need to access the subscription settings from within your account. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the menu usually situated on the left side of the screen. Find and click on the option labeled Billing, which will take you to the Billing Management section. Here, you'll be able to see all of your active subscriptions. This area gives you a clear overview of what you're currently subscribed to and helps you manage your billing details and payment methods. Next, identify the specific subscription you intend to cancel. You'll find a list of all subscriptions under your account here, each with basic details like the service type and renewal date. Carefully check these to ensure you're selecting the correct one intended for cancellation. Clicking on the subscription will redirect you to additional details about your plan, letting you confirm you're looking at the right one. Now that you've identified the right subscription, locate the Cancel Subscription option. It should be easily noticeable within your subscription details or near the bottom of the page. Clicking this will lead you to a confirmation prompt. Hostinger will likely ask you the reason for your cancellation, with a drop-down or text field where you can provide feedback. You're under no obligation to fill this in, but offering your reasons can be beneficial for them in improving services. After that, confirm your cancellation request. This step is quintessential because it finalizes the process until you've confirmed it here. Your subscription remains active. Once confirmed, you may receive a summary page that provides details of when your cancellation will take effect. Typically, this might be at the end of your billing cycle. Be sure to keep any confirmation emails or messages as proof of your cancellation. To wrap things up, check your email for a cancellation confirmation from Hostinger. This email serves as a confirmation and receipt of your request, verifying that you've successfully canceled it. If you don't receive an email, be sure to contact Hostinger support to ensure that the cancellation has gone through properly. And there you have it. Canceling a subscription might sound daunting, but with these steps, you'll have it done in no time. Remember, it's important to double-check your actions to ensure there are no lingering charges. Thank you for watching, and be sure to leave any comments or questions below.